Hello, this video is going to be featuring my Carisma GT16 Volkswagen Baja Beetle. It's the Desert Edition, and some of you might remember that the last time I used this I had a 2S LiPo in it. I forgot to change the settings on the ESC and I burnt out the motor. So I replaced the motor. This time I'm using a 1100 NIM battery, the one that actually comes with the car when you buy it new, and this is just a run to see how it works. Okay, thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.